Welcome to today's episode. We will get more closely towards volcano Karangetang, one of the most active volcanoes in Indonesia. Later, we will visit a nutmeg plantation, what Polosiau is famous for. Have fun! Showing you the beauty of our planet. Fabulous world.
Welcome to Indonesia! Sulawesi!
Subtitles. What I really loved about this volcano is that it has two erupting peaks. That is a really high volcano, lots of green mixed with nice brown saturated color. And what is really the best, the green broccoli landscape around it. Too funny to be true. The nature has been really created with pure art. I can't believe that broccoli trees are really existing on this planet.
To our life has this resting. To the spleen it can begin.
As I was flying the drone at volcano Karangetang, doing a time lapse, the battery went to a low level. I was already quite far away, but still it wouldn't be a problem coming back. Suddenly, the drone was doing an emergency landing, a function which I had not experienced yet, maybe due to an update. The drone was already 2 kilometers far away. I have lost completely the signal because the drone was too low and the volcano was blocking it. Dominic told me that we would need at least 4 hours to reach the point of the drone by hiking. As we needed to catch our ferry, there was no way for us getting the drone. I aligned with Dominic that he can rescue the drone in the next 2 days. Will he be able to get it? Find out in our next Jakarta vlogs.
You take it this one. You see this one open. This one. You just go and then take it inside. I give you example like this. See, like this. And you cut. This. Okay. This one you try. Turn on. Yep. Then you take it and show to camera.
Oh no, not this one. Wow.
Ready. So try to open this one. Hopefully good.
Wow.
Oh, that looks so beautiful.
Because you can peel it a little bit and smell. Very strong. The mess.
Oh. So that is the expensive part of the muscat nut, and they dry it and
dry it.
then
They dry it down the sun.
yeah.
Yeah. And then this one they dry it too for 12 days, and after that they sell it.
Yeah.
So this one the best one. Yeah, the best quality. Black.
Black
Yeah.
and organic and hand-picked with the best soil from the volcano.
That's the volcano.
Wow. Looks so awesome.
It's very strong. This is a reel from Siau Island, muscat. This one we call it in Indonesia pala. Pala asal dari Pulau Siau. Wow, you can smell. Wow, it's very strong. You can try to smell.
Yeah. Oh yeah. Ah.
But they see a little bit strange. But the adult people they produce. Yeah, yeah. Tasty is strange, right?
Mm.
But for the local people, I remember when I was around 15 years old, when I playing with my friend, we took the muscat like this, and we took also salt, and then chili, and we slide like this little small pieces, and we eat together with the salt, with the chili,
Wow.
muscat skin.
Wow.
Which one was it? This one?
No, right side. Yes, that's the biggest one. Yes,
Ah, the bigger one.
yes,
Okay.
that one.
Okay. So then, can we open it?
Yep. Wanna try to open it? I got it. Open with. Be careful with your hand. Yeah.
Oh.
Other side.
Oh.
Two sides.
Ah. Ah. Okay. Yes.
So this one number 2.
Number 2.
Yes, because a little brown.
Ah. It needs to be like really black.
Yes,
Ah.
that's number 1.
Okay.
And then, was heißt heller nochmal?
Yeah, this number
Bright.
A brighter brown is then number.
2. Number 2, this brown,
Yeah.
a little brown.
Okay.
If you like the first time, totally black.
Yeah.
That's
yeah,
the
yeah.
best one.
Wow.
Coconut milk.
Now it's cooking time. Dominic's wife is showing us how to cook a traditional Xiao vegetable meal. It tasted really good, with vegetables out of the garden.
So we use both, first and second.
Mari belakang ada kecil itu Pak.
Yang mana? Ini? And then we filter it.
Mari ambil lo yang dulu kamu saring ampas.
Yang mana?
Lo yang itu. Super bed. Cuma sedikit kok air itu.
This is the first one. The strong milk, yeah.
Yeah.
Coconut.
Yang kedua ini.
Oh, this is second, yeah. The first one, this one. Yeah. This is the second. This is the first. The first coconut milk. This is fresh. Yeah. So this one
Disondo dulu kita
And the
tunggu
second.
jalan.
already we boil like this. The second coconut milk.
Yeah.
Second step. We boil a little bit. And we need spoon. Special spoon like this.
Wow.
This is a liquid.
Yeah.
You have it?
We have this.
So that's easy.
So this you put first. Okay.
Yeah. Put first the lick. Or you can change with the onion, doesn't matter.
Yeah.
So during the process you
Oh, yang
keep,
jelas pengen ada
keep
pizza
moving like
santan
this.
lah.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, that will be much better.
Yeah.
During the process you keep shaking.
Stirring.
Stir. Yeah.
The whole dish?
Ada yang biasa
The top.
itu.
Put this one. This local vegetable. After this, we can record in my garden.
Oh, jadi itu ada di pohon situ dulu sana no. Ya itu dulu. Sama masuk di saya dulu.
So you can record there. This. So this leaf using for vegetables. That one we are cooking now.
What's the name?
We call it gedi,
Gede.
local. Yeah,
Gedi.
gedi. So if you meet the Xiao people or Sangih people and then you speak gedi, they will laughing you. Ah, you know where you know about this?
Okay.
This one, gedi.
Yeah.
And this soup is also we use as medical. If you want to prepare good for your stomach, yeah,
Okay.
to make everything is a good process in your stomach.
Wow.
Yeah.
In the next episode, we will head back to Jakarta, exploring the big metropole. If you like our videos, please subscribe as we will continue traveling through Indonesia, showing you the places you have not seen before. Thank you so much.